Hello, welcome back. The next letter we have today is our capital E. Now this one looks kind of different than our printed letter. So here's our printed E. Looks like that. And our lowercase cursive E looks like that. So this capital E here is pretty different. So how we're going to do that, it's going to start the same way as the C did. So we're going to go down just a smidge. We're going to go up to the top. But in the middle, we're going to make a little loop, pull it back down, and all the way back up to the broken line. So, go down a smidge, bring it back up, loop in the middle, all the way down to the bottom line, back up to the broken. So this loop in the middle is probably going to be your hardest part. So when you're making it, you don't want this, where it's a huge loop, and you don't want no loop like that. So make sure that you're taking your time and training your hand. You want just a little loop. And make sure you go all the way back up to that broken line. Because if we look down at our words, we can see that this is going to be a capital letter that does connect. So our first word we have here is Egypt. E, G, Y, P, T. Don't forget to cross your T. Now we have is Essex. So we have E, S, S, E, X. Essex. Next we have is Alida. So we're going to start with our E, L, I, D, A. Don't forget to dot that I. Next we have is Enid. Whoops. So we have capital E, N, I, D. Dot your I. Next we have is Ebony. Let me get my thing centered. There we go. E, B, O, N, Y, Ebony. Next we have is Elijah. E, L, I, J, A, H. Dot your J and dot your I. All right, our first sentence we have is Etta flew to Ethiopia. Now this is going to be a long word, okay? We'll start with Etta. E, T, T, A, cross the T. Flew. Now this is our F, so make sure you're going this way. F, L, E, W, 2, T, O. Don't forget to cross your T. Now we have Ethiopia. Start with our E, T, H, I, O, P, I, A. Cross your T, dot your I, put your end mark at the end. And our last sentence we have here says, Emmy drove to Elmhurst. So we have E, capital E, M, E. Make sure each of your M's have 3 bumps. Drove, D, R, O, V, E, drove, to, T, O, Elmhurst, E, L, M, H, U, R, S, T. Don't forget to cross your T and put your end mark.